Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, week four. Week four animals dog, cat, rabbits. An important one is smiling face, sad face, angry face. How do we draw those face expressions? Very special. Okay, lecture 20. A dog. Dog like this. And use a square paper. By the way, this week is going to be very easy. Folding animals are very easy. Animal faces actually. First, fold diagonal. Then fold diagonal once again to make it quarter. Then unfold. Fold the bottom of triangle. Distance is actually your choice, 1/3 or 1/4. Similar to the tulip flower. Do the same for the opposite side. Then turn over the paper and fold the top end. Like this. And fold the other end, the bottom side, the middle part of the triangles. Then you need a pen or magic marker to draw faces. Eyes will make impression very different. The direction of lips are also important. In lecture 23 to 25 are how to draw faces. It's a very special lecture. And we asked Miss Yamamoto to come in and she's going to do it. Oops, this dog looks angry. Eyes have to be round and large for a happy dog. Yes, this is better. Okay, supplement video for a dog. As you noticed, folding itself is very simple. By the way, those face expressions are not the professional one. Okay, the professional lecturers, instructors' lesson will be followed. So this triangle is going to be at near ears. And fold the top side to fold small triangle. Oh, oops, excuse me, it's the other side. And then fold the bottom end as well. And turn over. Okay, this is the dog face. Okay, Chika Yamamoto is coming. She is a professional drawer. First, set the nose. Always set the nose. If this position is not balanced, then face will be distorted. The next is the direction of the lips. She's now drawing a happy face of dog. So when happy face, eyes have to be round and like a mountain. The additional lines over the main eyes, this is going to make a more vivid. And you put small lines here. That's extra technique. Okay, this is a happy dog. See you in the next one is cat.